morning, folks. Welcome back. I'm out here today with my boy Juan. About to get on. What are we fishing for today, Juan?
Crappie, brother. Crappie the target today.
Let's go.
Woo.
We're gonna catch some crappie. Hopefully, have a nice and catch and cook if we can get the engine started.
Yeah.
It is so cold out here. But we're trying to get out and do a little fishing for you guys. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, we'll get on some meat and make some golden crispies. Let's get it. RBA fishing. You. You on?
Yeah.
There we go. First one on the boat. And that is exactly what we're looking for right there, boys. Let's go! That's a good one, too. ¿Tienes donde ponerla ahí?
Yeah, está ya en la bro.
There we go. First one on the boat. Let's go, Juan. Finding the first one. Otra.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a slob. That is a slob, bro. Let's go. He just cast it again and hit another one. We found him. We have found him, boys. We actually had to go to another lake because the other lake, the first one we went to, was so the water was so murky. We had to switch it up a bit. So this lake is producing. This is where are we at? Lake Anna? Lake Anna. The water's so clear over here. Compared to the other one, you couldn't see a foot down there. It was so bad. But this place is producing so far, so good. Another one. Oh my god, this is gonna be it. It was worth the drive so far. It was a what? An hour and a half, maybe an hour and 45-minute drive?
Yeah. Look at him.
Dude, that's a good fish, man. Ahorita la meto. Very nice, very nice. What color are you using? Okay, cool. If I don't catch one with that hit, man, I'm gonna jump off the boat. I'm on. I told you, bro. If I don't catch one with that, let's go. Your boy got one. Your boy hit one. Not the biggest one, but it's a fish. Should I let this one go?
Yeah.
Well, we'll switch them out if we catch bigger ones. Let's do that. Because we came for some meat, boys. And that's exactly what's happening right now. I'll put this one in the boat. In the live well. Yo! Sandwiches. That's all I see. Sandwich. Thank you. Another one. Juan is on him. Yeah, that was small.
See you next
That's
year.
That's a 12-pounder candy right there. Some bass candy. How deep do you think they are?
Here,
Yeah.
I'll be catching a pretty good size, like 3 pounds.
3
pound,
pounds?
Yeah, 3 pound and a half, something like that.
Jeez. Those
14, 16 inches fish.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, we're gonna catch one today, you see.
Let's do it. Another one.
No,
Maybe they like that little jig, the chartreuse color
Yeah.
jig.
yeah,
I might switch it to that. That's a good one.
it's a good
You want to
size.
keep that one?
It's up to you. You're the man
Throw,
today.
throw it back, throw it back, throw it back.
You're the man
We'll
today.
get a bigger one. We'll get a bigger one.
We'll catch the big one.
We'll see. Hope so. Look at the technique. Look at his form. You see that? That's experience. I'm a rookie at this. This is actually my first time crappie fishing on this lake, so bear with me, guys. Look at that. I hadn't even cast it and he's already on again. It's making me look so bad right now. It's not even funny. Nah, it is. Man, I'm so glad we found some fish. I was actually a little worried because the lake we went to earlier was so bad. But I'm glad we made the move.
We should be getting straight here this morning.
Yeah, we should have. And we thought about it too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? It is what it is. We're here now, so let's enjoy it. Me imagino que hay más docks iguales, ¿va?
No sé. Aquellos también tienen. Pero estos son los únicos docks que he encontrado que son hondos y que siempre tienen invierno y verano.
Oh, sí. En el verano también.
El verano también.
Wow. O sea que le pongo uno más pesado.
Pon uno más, pon otro, a ver más.
Me dan ganas de poner uno más pesadito que se vaya al fondo un poco más.
Más pesado o cambias la línea.
Oh, también, puede ser la línea me está afectando.
La línea es lo que te está.
Another one. One, that's like your fifth one. I got two. Yeah, I think I'm gonna downgrade. I'm using this is actually the line that I use for smallmouth. I think it's like 12 pounds.
Enseguida puedes poner el otro carrete, así no.
Sí.
Me gusta con otro carrete. La misma línea que yo tengo aquí.
Let it go down a little bit. So much fun. Otro slap. Bro. Comienza a cambiar las chiquitas, bro. What the?
Look at it, bro.
That's a big one, yo.
That's a good size.
In case you guys didn't know, this is the crappie guy right here. Oh my gosh. That is a fish. That is a fish. Yeah, we're going to start picking and choosing. We're at that point, guys. Oh, he's at that point. Oh, no.
Oh, broke the line.
How did that happen? Oh, see? Oh, dude, that's cool. white perch. It's a pretty cool species.
Ya solo lo detienes, que esté la línea atenta. Y solo lo detienes, pero despacito, ves como yo enrollo bien despacito. Ahí solo pon la punta de la caña para arriba y ahí deténlo, que la línea te venga bajando. Ahí le pegó ya a mí. Cabal, sentís cuando le pegan.
Ahí está.
¿Sabes?
Ahí está. Oh, this is a good one. Or not.
No es muy difícil agarrar la técnica. Ya me lo tengas, que se cuiden, que se las vas a acabar.
Another one. Vamos a dejar ir. Thanks for playing. Como little update, guys. We're still out here trying to catch some more crappie. Look at this water, man. It's so beautiful. Fishing all these docks. Beautiful houses up there. Juan has been killing it all day. He got plenty of fish in the whale. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But man, it's been a great day. So far, I think we caught maybe like 25, right? We've kept probably caught more like 30. It's getting a little cold. It was breezy earlier, but we're out of the wind. Thank goodness. Still catching fish. Want to keep trying, keep grinding, see if we can catch something bigger. But yeah. Very nice. Little one. Con solo ver las crappie ya estoy satisfecho. Ya agarrarlas es el bonus. Got it? Yeah.
Vamos a ir al otro ya.
A ver si se han movido las grandes.
Estamos en pedida, ¿no?
Wow.
La torcida.
Qué rara está esa, ¿no?
Es midget.
I found a midget fish. Vaya, hijo de madre. Tenés que tener buen tiro también, porque si no, solo pegándole al DAC pasas todo el día. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. I'm on. On the sixth count, she was on it.
Sí, ahí es donde se pone, es donde están. Justo ahí donde tú estás tirando, ahí están.
No he agarrado ni una grande todavía.
Déjalo que caiga un poquitito más, que se hunda. Cuéntale hasta 15.
15.
Ajá.
That's a keeper. Let's go. I've been waiting for like 2 hours to catch a keeper. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's a sandwich. Yes.
A veces dejan de picar por el color, y lo que tienes que hacer es cambiarle de color.
Sí, se han activado un poquito más. Sí, man. Let's go. Fun little guys. This color.
Yeah, he's strolling up there in the boat. I'll keep that one. That's a good size.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's a sandwich size. Yeah, throw it right there. There you go. Thank you. Yep. No problem.
Sandwich.
Come down and catch a few fish. You know? You just want to get a few fish. Just catch some.
That's right. Not today. I think it's chilly. It's just the wind. Yep. Es de color. It's okay. Es el color, bro. Primer tiro y primer fish.
Como está algo oscurito y eso es como fosforescente.
It's another one. Catching all the small ones. Juan is killing it. Oh, that's a good one too.
You know, that's crazy. What I say when the fish coming out, I know you got a fish pretty soon.
Hey, doubled up.
Yep, doubled up. There you go. Now we're going to get some fish.
We went to another lake. What's it called?
Lake
Cheston?
Cheston. We went Lake Cheston this morning. Right. It was murky water. I mean, you can't even see the jig with 1 feet.
Yeah,
You know?
it was bad. Did pretty good with my boy. My boy is ready for the winter. Qué matazón, viejo. Hay unas buenas, ¿no? Mira esta.
Pero no está grande.
No tanto así que se diga. So pretty good crappie. One of the biggest ones of today. And we're back to the ramp, guys. We made it back safe. Thank goodness. It's a little cold out there, but look at that view. It is so beautiful. Man, I'm so glad I'm out here today. So fortunate just to be out here doing what I love, fishing, you know, and catching fish. So that was just a bonus. Big shout out to my boy Juan for bringing me out today to this beautiful lake. I had such a good time. We caught a lot of fish, let a lot of them go. And yeah, I'll post the best fish that we caught. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna do a little cook in the house, so maybe I'll show you guys that. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. See ya. Adios.